If you're new on this channel, like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on subtitles.com to learn more. Now let's get right into today's video. To get started with subtitle translation, go to your YouTube studio, open your YouTube studio, and this here is my dashboard. Click on subtitles. From here, click on the video that you want to see subtitles on. From here now, you can see that subtitles I have on this video, the one that is published and the one that is not published, because it's ineligible. So this is the subtitles I have for this video, and if you don't see subtitles here, it means that your video is not actually in English, because usually YouTube does do subtitles for you, and you can edit the subtitles and approve those subtitles from here. So as you can see, I have subtitles in English and it's published. Now what you need to do here is to add new languages for your subtitles. If, for example, in the analytics page here under your audience, you realize that people watching your videos are watching subtitles in other languages, you can add subtitles in the new language based on the video that people are watching. For example, as you can see here, my video here has only English and people from Bangladesh are watching the video. Look, for example, for a video that I did in the past with many views, and then click on analytics, then click on audience. You can see that this video is being watched by many different languages under the subtitles. You can see we have Italian, Spanish, and this all is auto-translated by YouTube. But I can add the subtitles and translate the video so that people searching on YouTube can see the video. So to do this, I need to go back to the subtitles here. And as you can see, we have video in English. So as from the analytics back there, we had Italian, then we had German. So from here I can add a new language here, then type on, look for German, then we have German here, and as you can see, the German language has been added here. Next thing you need to do is to click on the pen icon here, then come here, click on auto translate. Then as you can see, the video subtitles has translated into German. Then click on publish. Then once it's published, people in German can watch subtitles of this video in German. To also add the title and description in German, click on the pen icon here. Then from here you can see the original language is in English, and then there is the German section that you need to add. For this video, we will add the title. So we will copy the title, then go open Google and then search for Google Translate. Then as you can see, we have Google Translate here. We paste the title here, then choose look for German. As you can see, we have German and the title has been translated to German. Then copy this one, then come to YouTube, then paste this title. Then from here now we can copy the timestamps and then the introduction for that video. Then go to Google Translate again, paste, and then you can see the translation is here. Then copy, go to YouTube, paste here, then click on publish. And as you can see now, people searching in Germany can search for this video and find it. Even though the video is in English, they can see the title and description in German, and they can watch it with subtitles in German. And that is it. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below here. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Subtitles.